Country as a proxy for culture, an exploratory study of players in an online multiplayer game. The study was carried out by me, Alessandro Canossa, together with Ahmad Azadvar from Ubisoft, Jiten Zhu from the IT University of Copenhagen, Kasper Hartevelt from Northeastern University, and Johanna Pirker from TU Graz. Generalizing about people from a certain country is a practice that has been going on for a very, very long time. The current paradigm has been established by Gert Hofstede with his book, Culture's Consequences. There, he maintains that user data can directly be segmented by countries and cultures clusters within geographic boundaries. This assumption has been challenged recently. Doubts on the practice of using countries as proxies for cultures have arisen and been expressed mostly by Taras and other researchers. They maintain that substantial within-country variation point to the importance of subcultures. This is what we set out to investigate. Is it still possible to utilize countries as a proxy for culture? We created an extensive survey mapping 29 constructs through 93 items, from motivation, leveraging self-determination theory, to community and communication attitudes. We collected data from over 14,000 people from 45 countries. They are all players of the game Rainbow Six Siege, a massive multiplayer game published by Ubisoft. Overall, this game provides a rich platform for investigation due both to its committed community and its complex gameplay. Comparing our dataset with a body of similar work, both the number of countries and the sample size we collected largely exceeds the standard set. The primary objective is to explore and assess the extent of variation in play attitudes, both within and between different countries. This involves comparing responses among players within the same country and understanding how the responses of players from different countries differ from each other. In short, it is necessary to establish whether between-country variance outweighs within-country variance. The within-country variance quantifies how much individuals vary within the same country, while the between-countries variance quantifies how much countries viewed as distinct groups differ from each other. Our within-country variance was 5.02, smaller than the between-country variance of 5.17. We ran standard two-tailed two-sample variance tests to obtain p-values. The t-statistics showed that the difference in variance, albeit relatively small, is statistically significant at 0.05 significance level. Even with a somewhat small margin, this result shows to some extent that players from the same country are more similar in their responses than those from different countries. We are expanding the study presented by attempting to cluster the countries examined, and we can already see interesting results as you see in the picture, but this is for another time.